and there's a reason why the building was torn down. In 1825 they decided to widen the roads and transfer the route of the A48 a little bit away from you where it travels along now, okay? And this meant that this access route was no longer required, and therefore over a period of time the new inn simply became unpopular. But by 1825 Capcoch was long since dead. But we've got to build up a little bit more of the picture. It's very likely that there were several people with the name Capcoch, and the reason why I'm very sure that there were several people with the name of Capcoch, around 1820 as well, there was a certain person called Capcoch who was hung at the gibbet at Stalling Down, and it's believed that some of those trees that we use for hanging at Stalling Down